For example, I am going to make this shaft in the mid of both these components. So for that, click on mate, then scroll down and from here select advanced mates. And in the advanced mates, from here select width. Then you will see these options with selections. So you can select this face or this face. So I'm going to select this face and this face. So then select this face and this face. Now you can see this shaft is adjusted or assembled in the mid of both these plates. Now press OK button. So this was the width mate, and there is another option in SolidWorks to create the width mate. So before going to that option, let me show you one more thing, that you can also edit the parts in the SolidWorks assemblies. So for that, click on the desired part that you want to edit, then select edit part from here. Then the system will ask you to save the assembly and then continue. So save and continue, then specify the location and save it. So now you can see we had saved the assembly, and from here you can see the component editing mode is turned on. Now I'm going to make hole on this face. So select this face, then from here select sketch. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard. Then draw a circle like this, press escape button. Now if you want to make this hole in the mid of both these lines, select this midpoint or center point and press and hold Control key. Then select this midpoint. Release the Control key and then from here select make horizontal. Now you can also define this diameter. So define it. Then go to features tab and from here select extrude cut. So extrusion length, specify the extrusion length and then press OK button. Now if you had done the part editing, then click on this button, part editing mode, to save this part. So now we are back in the assembly mode. Now click on this face, cylindrical face of the shaft, then select mate, and at the moment I am going to make the concentric mate with this hole. Press OK button. Now again press OK button, and then now I'm going to tell you how to create the width mate by using another way. So it is very simple and easy.